You remember what this was a while ago? Kung rotated ka dito, malaki yung paraspinal mo dito, di ba? So, naka-hold ka doon sa below the restricted segment, nakahawak ka dyan, tapos, kukunin mo, alam mo na gamitin ang head and neck receiver, di ba? Tapos, hahanapin mo kung saan siya, pinakamalambot siya dito. Okay? Are you following? Hanapin mo. Section mas malambot ba? O mas matigas? Extension mas malambot? Sige. Check mo rin versus pain level sa patient. Sige. Tapos, yan ang restriction. Well, pakontrahin mo yung pagbalik niya sa midline, itutukan mo yung vector set. She's trying to go midline. Okay, pull up. Again. Pull up, relax. Not so much, just enough.
30%.
Okay, relax. Tapos, mas malaki na, di ba? Oo. Pero 6 ka na, bro. Relax. Okay? Stop mo pa. Right again. And relax. Oo. Restricted yung kanina. Oo. Dapat.
Inat na yan, 30% ang...
And then see how far now.
30%
That's the restriction kanina kung nagawin siya. Extension restriction. Okay? Extension restriction. Pivot. See that? Okay. So this is restriction plus side bending right restriction, extension restriction. So we have an extended somatic dysfunction with a component of side bending, extending. Okay, follow it? Okay? You define it by the somatic dysfunction. Okay. So that restriction is extension. So this is a flex somatic dysfunction. It likes to flex, it does not like to extend. The flex somatic dysfunction, side bend left. It doesn't like side bend right. Okay? So you say T5 flex side bend left. Okay? Yan natin yung rotation component. But kung side bending left, since flex ka, side bending left and rotation left. Kapag engage ka ng flex extended, kaya mo ba rotate in side bend to opposite direction? Yun. So, since nahanap mo yung side bending, ano mo yung rotation component? Pag nahanap mo yung rotation component, alam mo yung side bending component. So, very well. Anong treatment for this? Nothing more restriction. Either kunin mo yung ease, and then the ease would be this, flexion, plus side bending left, rotation left. Relax ka. Okay? Preferably nakapalpated mo sa paraspinals mo. Nagpapa ka naman ng medium. Take a deep breath in, and hold, and out. And please, this is good for here in expiration. So, hindi mo wala rin. Then sa expiration, ito sa stop. Preferably nakapalpated ka sa paraspinals. I'm just showing you the have area. And relax. Then quite initially, strangely, this is better. Tapos, mga technique for that is extension, okay, plus this one. So, I'm going to ask her, try to bend forward and towards me. No, not so much, just a little bit. Okay, there, just match this forward. Try to bend forward and towards me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good. And passing the restriction and then passing again. Yes. But is it easy to breathe? Yes. Come and play. Very good. That I have control of your neck, and it's okay to let it. Then what I'm looking for, we have 7 planes. Flexion, extension, side bending left, side bending right, rotation left, rotation right, translation left, translation right, anterior posterior translation, compression, traction. Seventh plane, inhalation or exhalation. Get? So, sa stack mo lang. So, by example, relax mo to. Deep breath in and out. And relax. And then flexion now, extension now. Side bending left, side bending right. Different. This translates better now. Ano to? Yung gumagaling mo na. Yeah. And then anterior posterior is different. Feels different now. And go back. Now, if you were to do this to patients, okay, notice how comfortable it is if you find yourself leaning back like you are right now, and letting your head fall even more into my chest, and notice how comfortable that feels. And once you notice that, you might also find yourself taking a deep, slow breath in, only as comfortably as you'd like, and gradually, slowly let it go. Okay, let's go. And then, relax. Reassess. And check. It should be less tender. If it is right. Less. Yay! Ano pa? Into the operator's chest. So, how do you do that? That's it. What's the standard to begin with? What? Marunong ka na mag-thrust! Kids, naramdaman nyo? Naramdaman mo? Marunong na mag-thrust.